Hello students, we are going to start with the basics of Java. To understand how to write a program in Java, we should have knowledge about values and data types used in Java. So here we are going to start with the basic concepts of Java programming. First of all, we will discuss about tokens. What are tokens in Java? Token is defined as each individual component of Java program that carries some meaning and take active part in program execution. For this, you can write one expression. Suppose we have written x equal to y plus z minus 5. In this, each individual component which we are using, that is x equal symbol, then y, then plus z minus, these all are tokens. Now the names which we are giving, the alphabets which we are giving in the expression, those are called variables. Their values can vary during the execution of the program. The values which we give directly, like 5, that is a constant whose value cannot change during the execution of the program. This equal symbol, that is the assignment operator, whatever is given on the right hand side, that values goes in the left hand side variable. So after calculation, x will store that value. So this equal symbol is the assignment operator. Plus, minus, asterisk, slash, whatever the symbols we use, those are called operators. And semicolon, which is the line terminator, that is a punctuator, which is the punctuation symbol used in Java. So all these individual components which we used here, these are called tokens. We used literals. Literals are also called constants, like 5 is a constant. Identifiers are the variables like x, y, z, the names of the variables which we used, those are identifiers. Assignment, equal symbol. Operators, plus, minus, slash, asterisk, modulus, these all are operators. Punctuators, comma, semicolon, colon, these all are punctuators. Separators and keywords. Keywords are the special words which are having special meaning for the compiler, like if, void, class, these all are the keywords. One by one, I'll explain all these. First one is literal. Literals, as I told you, these are the values which we give. Suppose I write x equal to 10. This 10 which is on the right hand side of equal sign, the value which is given, that is called a literal. They are the fixed values which can't be changed at all. The term constants are referred to as literals in Java programs that remains unchanged during the entire execution of the program. Different types of literals are, first is integer literal. Suppose I have written int a equal to 10. This 10 is an integer literal, or minus 10 I have written, that minus 10 is an integer literal. So these are the examples of the integer literals. They can be positive or negative numbers, but without decimal point. And then we are having the real literals. Real literals in which we can use the decimal point. They can be float or double. For lower range of digits we use float, higher range we use double. Any value we can write with decimals, negative or positive numbers. Decimals are included. These are called the real literals. Then are the character literals. Character, when we have to take the single character and we enclose that in single quotes, like capital A I have taken in single quotes, so I'll declare it as char. So this is what literal. The value which we give after the equal sign, that is called literal. So this is a character literal. And if I have written string A equal to MCS in double quotes, that is a string. More than one alphabet when we take, it can be digit also. The digits and alphabets both can be included, but they should be enclosed in double quotes. That is called a string. String S is always capital, and the value which we give, like MCS we have given, that should be enclosed in double quotes. That is a string literal. Then Boolean literal. Boolean data type can have only true or false. By default the value is false, but we can write true or false anything, but it should not be enclosed in double quotes. Just true or false values it can store. So equal, towards equal right side of the equal sign, true is taken or false is taken, that is a Boolean literal. Then is null literal, that denotes the absence of the value. Just to initialize we take this, like string A equal to null, also we can take string A equal to double quotes with space in between, that also we can initialize. So these are the tokens. And in tokens, first one we have done literals.